Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Tinder Prime Time Boost. Let's begin. First of all, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Here, in order to activate the Prime Boost, you just need to tap on the Thunderbolt icon on the right side. Once you click on it, a bunch of plans will be displayed and you can choose the one that suits your needs best. You can also buy the boost if you have an offer going on. In that case, you can get the boost for a lower amount and then use it to improve your account's reach. In simple words, the boost will help your profile get more visibility during the prime time hours, which are usually the busiest times on the app. So that's basically how you can use Tinder Prime Time Boost. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.